Every decision a top CEO makes could cost millions or create billions. What do they see that others don't? The higher the level, the higher the cost of the leader's mistakes. Leading a company through market upheaval, rapid technological change, and unpredictable global events is challenging. Every day brings new challenges, conflicting priorities, and high stakes decisions. Some leaders are overwhelmed, paralyzed by complexities. Others navigate confidentially, turning chaos into opportunity. The difference lies in the executive mindset. And above all, clarity. Top CEOs think big and act big. This is about a mindset. The executive mindset is not about intelligence or experience. It's about seeing clearly, thinking forward, and acting decisively amidst uncertainty. Clarity allows leaders to focus on what matters, align teams, and make consistent, high impact decisions. Reflect on the following four steps. Step one, clarify purpose and priorities. Executives must know what truly matters: organizational objectives, critical initiatives, and guiding values. When purpose and priorities are clear, decision making becomes straightforward, even when external conditions are chaotic. Clarity ensures that every action contributes to long term success. Step two, maintain mental and emotional clarity. Yes, chaos can cloud judgment. The executive mindset requires composure, self awareness, and emotional clarity. Leaders who pause to process information, weigh options, and separate signal from noise make better decisions and project calm confidence to their teams. Pause and reflect. Are your priorities crystal clear today? How does your team know? If you want more insights to be in the elite 0.1% of leaders, hit like and subscribe. Step 3, communicate clearly and consistently. Clarity is not just internal, it must extend to the organization. Clearly articulate objectives, rationale for decisions, and expectations for teams. Transparent communication reduces uncertainty, aligns actions, and builds trust across all levels. Step 4, embrace adaptability with clear principles. Adaptability is essential, but it must be guided by clear principles. Flexibility without clarity leads to indecision. Leaders who combine adaptability with a strong sense of purpose navigate change efficiently while maintaining focus on what matters most. Beyond chaos, the executive mindset is defined by clarity in thinking, decision making, communication, and action. Leaders who cultivate clarity create organizations that can respond decisively, innovate confidently, and thrive in uncertainty. Remember, chaos is inevitable, but confusion is optional. With a clear mind, clear priorities, and clear communication, executives turn turbulent environments into opportunities for growth and sustained success. Hit like and subscribe for more visionary leadership strategies and create the impact you were meant to make.